the more na nakikita mong okay yung sarili mo, the more you feel contented with yourself. And I think it will be easier for you to spread happiness kapag masaya ka rin naman talaga.
Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, guys, gusto namin ipakilala sa inyo itong Aesthetic and Wellness Clinic dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. So this is Aurora and we wanna give you a tour. What can you expect from this place? And at the same time, actually may mga retail sila dito that are available na maaaring magustuhan ninyo. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Welcome to Aurora. Kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Gia. So, siya ang magtutour sa atin sa loob. And thanks so much po for inviting us.
Welcome, sir.
Yes! So, tara, pasok na tayo? Okay. So, ayun guys, if you notice, pagpasok nyo dito, itong section na to, yung kanilang reception area.
Yes, sir. And then, waiting area po.
And then dito sa side na to, sa likod ng cameraman natin, ito yung kanilang display area sa mga items natin. So, meron din silang mga wedges. Yun.
Nagpo-provide po kami ng waiver, sir. Ayan. And then, after po, hanapin po namin yung client's record, which is here po sa aming computer po.
Wow! Automated na rin pala.
Yes, sir. Dito sa area na po to, we have 4 chairs for ano po to siya, gluta drips. Usually din po, ginagawa po namin dito is foot spa and then regular mani and pedi and then gel din po. Ayan. Dito po, waiting area din po to siya, sir.
Ayan. So pagdating nyo pala dito, guys, or habang ginagawa yung services sa inyo, ay mga pre-drinks tayo.
Yes po, yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes,
dito, ma'am, nakita ko parang enclosed yung nail section natin.
Yes, sir. Ito naman po, ang mga procedure po dito is more on ano siya, sir, nail extensions kasi mga may amoy po
May
siya.
amoy,
Yes po, hindi po siya pwede dito sa labas po. Kaya ito po.
So mas maganda guys, pag pupunta tayo dito, papa-schedule talaga
Yes,
tayo.
sir. Much better po.
Para yung slot natin dito,
Yes, sir.
at least open yung seats na.
Yes
diba?
po, yes po.
Shoutout natin sa mga nail tech.
Yes, sir.
So open po sila for hiring.
Kung gusto niyo mag-apply po, open po kami. Hiring po yung Aurora.
So pagpasok nyo dito guys, ayan, malaki yung lugar nila actually.
Yes
Pwede
po.
mong ikutan.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So sa side na to, nandito yung mga beds natin.
Yes po. 5 beds po. Ayan po. Dito po. Meron po kaming client as of now.
Meron
Ayan.
tayong client as
Yes
of
po.
now.
May mga iba't ibang mga machines din po tayo, sir. Ayan. Katulad nito po.
So bago tayo mag-proceed, ma'am, mag-hi muna tayo sa mga client natin. So,
Yes po.
hello! Ayun, on the spot tayo. Wow! Thank you po. Ayun. So moving forward tayo dito, another room. Actually, meron pa isang client dito. And then this one, ano usually ginagawa dito, ma'am?
Dito po, same lang din po siya, sir. Beds din po to siya. Ayan.
Ayan. So ito yung this is how it looks like dito sa loob. Para sa akin, hindi siya intimidating, hindi din siya, parang nasa clinic, parang ganun. Cozy siya actually.
Yes,
So medyo class yung mga rooms natin.
Hello!
Hi, Red!
Undergoing ako ng mesolipo and also Botox. And it's also a preparation for me dun sa susunod na laban ko. Nakapagpalit siya ng arms and it has an instant effect. Unang-una yun. That's one thing na talagang pinupuntahan kung bakit ito yung number 1. After the procedure, makakita ka na agad ng instant effect. So after this one, you can go back to your choirs or everything that you need to do. Now na it's a part of my preparation, talagang ginagawa ko siya as much as possible na hanggat pwede. Still, you need to consider your body, you need to consider your health, and at the same time, always, I'm trying my best to consult with a professional as well, especially on this matter kasi iba-iba tayo ng dosage, iba-iba yung need ng katawan natin.
Correct.
Ako, I'm a firm believer din naman when it comes to doing beautiful choices, like for yourself. Sabi nga nila, once you feel good, once you feel beautiful, it reflects. In order to feel beautiful, you need to make beautiful choices as well. So when it comes to being a housewife or someone na gusto mo lang mag-improve, yung someone na gusto mo lang makita yung sarili mo, ano wonderful state din talaga. Syempre, you need to take care of your body. Not only with the procedures itself, but of course, with exercise, with eating healthy, I think it will be easier for you to spread happiness kapag masaya ka rin naman talaga.
This is what you call mesolipo, also famous in the market for fat dissolving pump. What you do is you inject the gamot, especially now if you want to shed off those holiday fats. Ito po yung one of the effective ways.
Maintenance, yes, kasi para kahit mami ka na, stay sexy, healthy.
So it's also a case-to-case basis because sometimes we also need Botox. Akala natin fats siya. Importante talaga yung assessment po. Sometimes you want to try meso but you don't need it necessarily. Sometimes kala mo malaki yung arms mo just because you need Botox dahil muscular siya. This is our own product, own production, own design. It's Aurora wedges. And then, most of the designs are limited editions. Size 5 to 9. Pwede po silang mag-order through online. We also have a page, Aurora Wear Your Soul.
Wear Your Soul,
Yes,
okay.
and then pwede rin silang pumunta dito. 70% of our clients, mostly girls, syempre, of course. Pero in general, pwede kasi siya. Even sa mga mommies,
Yes.
as you can see, we have different design
Yes.
for different din na paa. And most of our clients are collectors na sila.
Ma'am, sino yung mga sikat na personalities na mga patrons natin?
Pwede mong pumanggit.
Opo.
Clients natin dito like sina Miss Kim Domingo, Miss JC Parker po. Recently po sina Miss Sashna and Miss Tony Fowler and the Tora Fam. Lars Pacheco pala, hi sis.
Saan na po nakakaabot yung mga items natin? Ma'am?
We are planning to export, but ngayon po talagang nationwide. Meron din kaming mga client,
Yes.
especially yung mga balikbayan. Actually, we are also open for business partners, resellers po, and distributors.
Last question, ma'am. Pag sinusuot mo to, how do you feel?
Kasi pag sinuot mo si Aurora, you feel sexier. It boosts your self-confidence actually. And maganda siya kasi since lightweight, yung posture mo, naaayos din niya.
Alright, thank you.
Facebook page po namin ay Aurora Aesthetic Wellness Center. 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. po. Reds Building po, ground floor po kami. Along the highway lang po kami. If ever po, hindi po siya mahanap, kindly waste a rail for speed po.
So, thank you so much, Ma'am Gia.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank you, sir.
Ayun.
Because hindi pwedeng maganda lang. Kailangan healthy din talaga.